32 degrees. What's left of a flower pot was filled with water, and I'm letting Leo over here lick Mr. Lickasaurus. Leo Lickasaurus. He's trying to get through the layer of ice to get the leaves. It's all fresh water. It's from the house, so there's nothing bad about it. Just some leaves, which he's not even going to pay attention to. He just wants to devour it. But he can't seem to get a lot of it. No, we're not getting the flower pot. Oh, I didn't do it. I swear. What, I'm sitting, you're sitting? Wee-o. Wee-o. He's like, dude, see ya. What is that? What is that? Do you want your pumpkin? He's a little frozen at the moment. You want your pumpkin? Get him! Where'd he go? He's like, I'm gonna get this cube. Get him! Get him, Leo! Scratch him up! Scratch up Mr. Cube. It's funny how he tries to scratch him, but he can't because it's like sliding. It's kind of funny. Hey. Hey. Leo. Your tongue is going to get stuck to that. It's 32 degrees this morning. And you're licking a cube. Thank God you're not licking a pole. Oh my God, that would be so bad. Well, I don't know. I can't do anything. Get him. Kick his butt. Scratch him up. Make shaved ice out of him. He's like, I'm trying to.